Or yung sa ano pala pre, yung alam mo ba yung trend ngayon about sa Gilby Arts about sa AI? Like maraming uprising na nakikita ko sa Facebook, and then some people are really against it and some people are trying to ride along with the trend. And for me personally kasi as an artist, hindi ko siya masyado inaano eh, hindi ko siya sinusupport kasi it's like parang for a person trying to to that person that who made that art style, and he worked that kind of art style for years now, and then to be generated by a mere seconds of AI. So like parang hindi ba like nakakasakit yun? Like parang ano ba sa tingin mo? Like are you against it
Mm.
or are you riding along with it?
Ano rin pre, may artist rin ako, 'di ba?
Mm.
Tama ba? Hindi, joke lang. So, basically may ano ako diyan eh. Um, Inisip ko yung history. Parang ano lang 'yan. When it comes to everything, parang nare-replace lang siya into something more automated. Pag iniisip mo kasi, lahat yung computer, it replaces calculation, 'di ba? So parang as an artist, para sa it kind of disrespectful, but at the same time iniisip ko, what if yung mga mathematician ng old ages, 'di ba? Like parang sila invention nila yun, 'di ba? Like parang these are my calculations, etc. And
Mm.
now computers can do it in a second. Parang yung nangyayari diyan is yung mga artist na naghihirap ngayon, digital artist man or traditional artist, napapalitan na ng effort ng AI. So, yung ano niyan, mas madali, 'di ba?
Oo.
Para sa mga
I
tao
mean, technically, yun naman talaga
gumawa
yung,
ng
di
ano.
ba, ng
Mm,
technology. Like, mapadali yung mga bagay, ganun.
oo. Para sa akin, it's like it's a good thing, pero at the same time it's bad in terms of those na like nakukuhanan ng data. Kasi walang permission yan, pre.
Yun nga
'Di ba?
eh.
Like parang nakita mo, ay Instagram page ang ganda ng art style. Lalo ni kay ano, pre, kay Sam Das Art, pre. Wala pang AI, pre. Marami nang gagaya sa style niya. Saka if you're familiar with Willow, wait,
Yeah,
can you
yeah,
share my screen?
yeah,
Like
yeah,
ano,
yeah.
like parang marami na nanggagaya sa kanila. So parang iniisip ko, pinapadali lang ng AI yung mga copy pasta. You
So,
feel me, bro?
like, to answer the question, like, do you condemn AI or not?
I condemn AI in terms of like parang siguro pag may support ng artist, like for example, like parang um like hindi ninanakaw yung data na walang pasabi-sabi kasi kailangan may credit yan eh. Kasi
Mm.
naghihirap sila diyan, 'di ba?
Mm.
So, pag walang credit, pangit yun kasi parang
Pero,
pirated siya eh.
yun nga eh, like, ako din, as an artist myself, I mean, hindi pa ako masyado magaling, pero like, parang I'm getting there. So, something really, like, parang annoying for me is that, like, parang, ganun lang kabilis eh. Like, sa mga ibang artist kasi, ginagawa nila na, like, naghihirap talaga sila sa para magawa yung passion nila, and then all of the sudden, there's an AI out there na kayang i-reproduce yung art style mo within a mere seconds, or it turns out na mas maganda pa sa gawa mo, ganun. It's like parang for me kasi parang ano eh, medyo offensive. Pero at the same time, it's a process. So, hindi ko siya masyadong masabi na I ride along with it. Pero I do condemn AI. Pero yun nga, like you said, things change. So yeah. Ikaw, like
Para
parang,
sa akin, like, for example, like, can you share my screen right now, pre?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ito guys, idol ko to guys, no? Parang ano, like, role model ko siya sa halos, halos lahat. And na-notice ko sa recently, sa Instagram, gumagamit na siya ng AI. Right? I mean, tingnan mo yung coin, pre. Hindi nga pasok sa butas eh. So, hindi yan, these are like, all AI, bro. And what's happening is, mas nagiging mainstream and mas madali gumawa ng ganitong klase ng material, Pro 36K. Like, marami pa dito na, ano, like, marami siyang followers eh. And influence siya ng halos lahat. Since siya mismo, ayun, 66K, oh. Bro, isang prompt lang ng AI yan. And the thing is, mas nagiging marketable na yung art. Mas kumakalat yung art. Okay ako doon.
Yeah,
Hindi ako okay.
art na hindi
Oo.
legitimate, but art
Oh, yung art na
that
hindi
is made
legit.
by
Pero,
AI, 'di ba?
may kita mo, pre.
Do you
Like, siguro,
sa tingin
after labas ng feature ng ChatGPT nung Ghibli art, may kita mo profile picture ng lahat po eh.
Oo nga,
Ghibli.
oo nga.
What the...
Actually, pre, ito, out of curiosity lang, nagtry ako niyan, promise. Hindi,
Patingin nga.
out
I
of
mean, proof
curiosity
of
lang,
concept.
nakita ko siya na, yun nga, oh, maganda siya, maganda. And
Mm.
medyo na-impress din ako kasi nakuha niya yung art style ng Ghibli, which is which is parang like medyo na-impress nga ako, medyo na-amaze ako doon. Na out of curiosity lang na tinry ko, and then sabi
The
ko grabe
Amaze.
naman. Like
The
parang
Amaze is
ganun lang ba
crazy.
kabilis 'yun to replace the artist, to the artist
Eh,
that
para sa
work.
akin is not replaceable, man. It's not replaceable. Kasi
Yeah, yeah,
isipin mo
yeah.
to, boy.
Tama naman.
Let's say fast forward 10 years. Like for example, magkakaroon ng bagong Da Vinci. Yung Da Vinci na yun, boy, he'll manage to create something na i-combine niya lahat ng AI and turn it into something great that it's able to change creative and art endeavor in general, di ba? As of
Mm.
right now, marami mga normies, di ba? Isang
Mm.
prompt mo, okay na. Pero pre, may mga iba dito na nag-train ng data, like, kinocombine yung mga mediums, yung mga, alam mo yun?
Oh.
Like, yung iba-ibang models. Yun yung mag-change ng world, pre. So, in my opinion, artist pa rin sila. Pero in a sense na different kind of artist that we have today. Na digital artist, di ba? Nagets mo?
Oh. Para sa akin, nga, like may point ka naman.
Mm.
Hindi siya totally ma-replace, like parang maano lang, siguro
Oo. Evolve.
oh yeah, evolve. Like it's like parang
Evolve lang,
it's
pre.
like pag sinabi ko ba sa'yo, bro, like na may calculator, meron na bang like kapag may calculator ba
No.
ma-replace na ba lahat ng mathematician, 'di ba? Hindi naman, 'di ba?
Hindi. Mas nag-amplify
Yeah,
lang. Mas
na-amplify. Yeah, that's the word that I'm trying to find, the
exactly.
amplify. Like parang ano siya,
Amplify,
like
bro.
parang bro, kapag meron bang kotse, pre, does it take our ability to walk? To walk? 'Di ba hindi naman? May kotse pero na-augment lang, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
May car tayo. So hindi naman
Mm.
sinasabi na porket may car, does it take our ability to work, to walk? 'Di ba? Hindi naman, 'di ba?
Mm.
Siguro in terms of art, yun ang mahirap kasi, pre. I
Wait
mean,
lang, pre. Sige. May sabihin ka pa na.
like yung sa art kasi, like hindi kasi talaga ako fan talaga ng AI, man. Hindi ko siya matawag na art talaga eh. Like
Oh, that's okay.
masasabi
And
ko
okay
na
lang siya.
that's my
That's
my
okay, bro.
opinion, man. Like parang
Mm.
doon ako sa sa legitimate talaga na tao na gumawa ng art talaga. Like he
Mm.
put his blood, sweat and tears to make that masterpiece, 'di ba? Mas respetuhin ko pa
Oh.
yun eh. Kaysa naman doon sa
Mm.
like
I
computer
agree, man.
generated na 'di ba?
100% agree.
I would respect
Para
that
sa akin,
person
like,
kasi that's his
oh,
passion. He worked for that for years, 'di ba?
mm.
Alright.
Para sa akin, like, yung mangyayari dito, AI will be a different type of genre of art. Just like how yung traditional artists are like being not necessarily replaced but are more rare. Because isipin mo,
Mm.
pre, may mga traditional artists pa rin naman. Pero most of the time, yung sumisikat na traditional artists, yung mga sobrang galing. Like, attention to details.
Yeah.
And yung mga nag-evolve, pre, na nagbabasag ng glass, etc. Ito
Mm.
yung prediction ko, pre. May prediction ako sa AI art. If AI art became so good that it transcends the medium na parang hindi, like parang it can be rendered real time. Hear me out. Do you love playing games? Yes or no?
I do love playing games.
Now, what if, pre, like yung games na yon, yung art style niya, instead of being fixed na assets, it's being rendered by an AI real time.
Oh, yeah. Gets ko yan.
Hear me out.
Nakikita ano ko yun eh.
Ngayon, it's not possible at that moment. But 10 years from now, or maybe 20 years from now, may mga kaisip nun, boy, and be like, what if there's an AI virtual reality? When I look into these glasses, everything will be Ghibli. Nagets mo?
Mm.
Man, that shit is so exciting, man. What the hell?
Actually, let me
What's
tell you
your
let me tell you another fun fact, pre. This is my own
what's the
experience
fun?
about playing games, di ba? As you may know,
Okay.
I love playing AAA games. There's this idea of AI frame generation. I don't know if you heard that
Ayo,
one.
alam ko yun sa Nvidia, di ba? It's based
Yeah.
on,
It actually meron din yung AMD nun. AI siya na like
meron na.
parang let's
Ayo, yung
say
bagong graphics card. Tama ba?
wait, let me finish, bro. Bibigyan kita ng background, pre. Yung about kasi dun sa AI frame generation na yun. Let's say yung
Hmm?
computer mo is yung computer mo can only render 30 frames per second sa isang
Mhm.
game.
Oo.
30 frames lang siya. Sabihin natin yun yung pinaka-limit. Pinaka-limit
Mm.
ng ano mo ng or then, wag natin sabihin 30, sabihin natin 45 to be generous, 45 frames per second. Kapag yun yung pinaka cornerstone ng GPU mo, yun na yung pinaka max niya. and hindi niya na kaya i-push. Ngayon, ang gagawin ng AI,
Mag-generate ng frames.
mag-generate siya ng frame ng another 45. So that's double,
Mm.
'di ba? So
Make
that
it,
will be 90 FPS.
oh,
So ang mangyayari doon is like parang yung AI na yun, frame 1, the real frame ha, hindi AI generated. The real frame is frame 1 and frame 2. The generated frame will be the in between between frame 1 and frame 2. So that's like frame number 1 plus AI generated 1.1 plus real frame 2. So parang ano siya, ginagawa siyang mas smooth. Yun yung like, yun yung nakatulong talaga sa gaming industry, yung frame generation. 'Di ba isipin mo, 'di ba? Kung yung AI na is dumadating sa RC paano sa games pa kaya? Dumadating sa games, paano pa kaya sa iba, 'di ba? Tingnan mo pre, meron pa dito yung about sa example about yung sa movie. May nakita akong isang con, parang samahan lang siya or parang
yun ba yung
highlight.
anime na ano? Yung ginawang 3D into... Oh,
Yan.
yeah. I'm familiar with that. So,
Meron,
basically, yung ginawa nila is ano, di ba? Like, gumamit sila ng 3D models. And yung 3D models na yun is rendered nila through art na.
true.
Colored line art na. Tama ba?
The thing
So,
about
it's like
kasi,
the first...
the thing
Mm,
about kasi sa sa AI kasi, like parang, it's up to choice naman ng mga consumers yan kung
agree.
will they entertain those art that are made by AI or art
Mm,
that is made by the legitimate artist himself.
ako.
Pero for me
So,
talaga, doon talaga ako sa talaga sa mga gumagawa talaga ng art, like artist talaga.
pre. It's just a different medium, di ba? Parang ganun yung nangyayari dyan.
Yeah. Marami naman ano na lang hindi
Pero
dapat.
dahil doon,
Ito, wait. Yung point ko kasi is, ang dami kasi nagme-make ng fuss. Yung mga tao ngayon, dami nagme-make ng fuss na, hala, baka yung AI, i-take over yung world or i-take over yung jobs natin in the future. Like, I just want them to,
so,
realize
I have a
the,
counter to that.
hindi. Pwede naman natin siya, sige, meron siyang bad side and meron siyang good side. Siguro yung good side na lang na pwedeng maisip ng mga tao is like parang bakit hindi lang siya gamitin natin as a tool, di ba? Not as something to replace us. Gets mo ba? Like, as a
Mm,
tool na lang,
mm.
yun na lang.
Tsaka wait,
It
may
could make,
counter ako.
sige.
So, pag nanonood ka ng sci-fi movies, you watch sci-fi movies, right?
Yeah.
In the future, alam mo naman na AI is inevitable. So, sa mga sci-fi films na yun, we know that AI exists. Yes or no? Yes, di ba?
Can you repeat the question?
Like yung mga, in the sci-fi films na pinapanood, say, Star Trek or like
Star
Star
Trek.
Wars,
Star Wars.
we know that AI exists, right? The
Mm.
planets na yun. Now, hear me out. What if the work on Earth becomes parang so little, na parang so effortless AI that it gives us the ability to travel outer space, because
Uh,
that's when we transcend humanity, that the
it,
problems here on Earth become so little na
it is
AI
possible.
literally helps us
It,
to
it, it,
conquer space, man.
yeah, it is possible naman.
What's your take? Man, iniisip ko yun, pre, like, kasi di ba kung yung tayo, mga AI, papalitan tayo, pero iniisip
Hindi.
ko yung mga sci-fi,
I don't think so,
pre,
hindi. Pre, I don't think so na human would go along with that kind of AI thing. Kasi sa tingin ko
na
magkakaroon pa ng mga yan, like, may mga disagreement pa yan, baka magkaroon pa ng war yan, di ba?
totoo yan, totoo yan. That's
Isipin
true,
mo, bago tayo sa like, sabihin natin first century, di ba? Like Herodotus,
may World
nirecord
War
niya yung
II.
ha?
Di ba may dalawang World War,
Oh,
di ba?
dalawang world war, di ba? Tapos Battle of
Mm.
Kenai, yung Holocaust, yung mga ganun. Ang dami
Oh,
nangyari.
kung
Sobrang
tao na
daming,
tayo, pre, tao to tao yan, ah.
yun talaga yung nature ng tao, pre. Yung nag-aaway talaga tayo,
Oh,
meron tayong disagreement, di ba?
which is fair. Absolutely
Yun yung
fair.
problema talaga ng tao talaga to the core.
Mm,
Lagi tayong
mm,
nag-aaway. Meron tayong, well, we are entitled in our own opinion naman, pero one thing talaga is, meron talaga tayong hindi kasunduan. Isipin mo, dalawang world war yung nangyari, pre, like, to reach this
oh,
kind of civilization, nasabihin natin na hindi naman
mm,
ganun ka-violent, pero sabihin natin may mga disagreement pa rin. Pero yun nga, going
oh,
back to dun sa may sinasabi mo na AI na baka i-take tayo sa outer space, hindi magiging, I don't think so magiging peacefully na makakarating tayo dyan.
which is fair, absolutely fair. Sa lahat naman ng like peacefulness, may conflict lagi.
Mm.
Diba? Pero ito yung naisip ko, pre. Alam mo yung movie na Wall-E.
Wall-E. Matagal na 2007 pa yan.
Wall-E is an artificial intelligence. Yes or no?
Wait, what do you mean? Anong
Is
yung movie ginawa
is
ng AI?
Wall-E a robot or artificial intelligence?
Ah, yes, he
He's an
is.
AI, right?
AI
AI
siya.
siya, di ba? So what if yun nga yung nangyari, pre? To the point na sobrang tamad natin na AI solve our problems. Dark future yung Wall-E, pre, ah. Pero, syempre, may every dark future, may light future. So yun nangyari, bumalik tayo sa Earth. Pero pre, na-imagine ko lang, pre, is like, we are so advanced na may mga spaceship na tayo that takes us to outer space and we can literally live with it and self-sustain na tayo as humans.
Na I don't think life would
Pinanganak ka sa
be
Mars, ganun.
na ayoko ng ganong
Pinanganak ka sa
klaseng
spaceship, ganun. Ayaw mo.
bro, ayoko ng ganong klaseng ano pre. I would,
Ako gusto ko lang in terms of ano, what if ganito, pre, ganito. What if may isa pang planet, pre? Hindi ko ba na-excite doon na livable? Tapos aapak ka doon, pre, in your lifetime. Are you not hype about that? Or maybe yung future, ano mo?
ma-hype
Let's say
ako.
hindi Mars yun. Let's say bagong
Oo
galaxy.
nga, habitable planet. Gets ko naman yung point mo eh.
Mm,
I mean, okay lang sa akin yun. Pero,
okay.
I think Earth would be like parang Earth would be more than enough for me. Pero sige, yun
I've
nga.
got a counter.
I'll let,
Another counter.
like
To that.
masyadong polluted, ganun.
Hindi. Since our population will get bigger in size, what if yung iba ipunta sa outer space, punta sa Mars?
Bro, how do we get from AI to outer space, bro?
Hindi nga, AI is so advanced na yung sinasabi mo yung work ng AI is papadalin lahat sa Earth. So, tayo, mag-focus tayo sa ibang bagay na mas advanced with the help of AI. And that advancement in mathematics technology will get us to outer space and build spaceship and ultimately conquer the planets. That's the point. Yun yung ano ko, pre, like, iniisip ko.
Are you familiar with ba? Kardashev scale?
Ano, no?
Kardashev scale. Try to search it right now. Kardashev scale. No, K.
Hindi,
Yan,
autocorrect yan, bro.
Kardashev scale. Basahin mo. May
System
mga type yan.
Alam ko.
Show more. Ayan, yan. Ito. Yung pinindot mo kanina nasa Facebook. Yan. Okay, so yung type 1, pabasa nga ako. Ano po?
Nice. Wait.
Okay, so type 1,
Wait. May natawa. Wait. Sige, read. You read.
wait, hindi ko na mababasa. Ayan. So yung type 1 is capable of controlling the entire energy of this planet. Wala pa tayo dyan, pre. Wala pa tayo sa type 1, pre. Capable of controlling the entire energy of its planet. Type 2, capable of controlling entire energy of its host star and travels through the solar system. Sa type 1 pa nga lang, pre, walang-wala na tayo eh, di ba? Sa AI siguro kung madadala. Ito. The thing about AI, pre, makarating man tayo dito sa kahit type 2 lang, siguro magiging pale in comparison yung AI, pre. Hindi, sa tingin mo ba? Through the scaling of this type, tingnan mo, pre, what do you think ba? Kung dadating tayo sa type 2, pre, like parang pale in comparison yung AI. Kasi marami pa tayong may explore dyan more than AI, pre.
Which is absolutely fair, bro. That's a fair point.
Marami pa tayong
Pero,
dyan, pre. Marami pa tayong may explore dyan.
Iniisip ko sa AI eh. AI works exponentially. So, as every 3 years or so, the cheaper, parang twice as cheaper na parang ganun. So, in maybe in 50 years or 100 years, pag continuous yung AI development, and may physical bodies sila, like robots, the growth will be so exponential that it will technically parang skyrocket us to space. And parang hindi ko rin sinasabi na parang 100% yan, di ba? Sinasabi ko lang na, I'm optimistic about it. Pero syempre yun nga, ang dami pang hindi natin ginagagawa dito, di ba? Sa Earth, it's in general.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong.
Malayo pa.
There's nothing wrong naman dyan, pre, about dyan sa parang to think widely and to be optimistic about things. Wala namang masama dyan. I mean, it is in fact good. So yun nga, parang mapansin ko lang kasi parang marami nagalit sa AI. I mean, siguro kapag it's about lang talaga eh. AI is not the problem eh. It's how the people use the AI.
Exactly.
Di ba?
Sobrang imperfect kasi natin, pre, na iniisip natin yung AI. is yung mali, 'di ba? In reality tayo mali. We fail
Mm.
to adapt and we fail to evolve and we fail to have an open mind. Parang
Mm.
yun yung nangyayari, 'di ba?
Yeah, may mga disagreement talaga palagi, magkakaroon ng war lagi yan. Mataas kasi yung pride ng
Mm,
tao eh.
uh, ito yung ano pre, pinaka darkest future. What if yung AI naging sobrang sentient, na sobrang talino na? Do you
Sobrang,
know Naruto?
sobrang
Na
ano?
sobrang sentient. Sentient meaning like sobrang talino.
Ano pa nga, ano?
So basically, sentient.
Ah,
Like parang
sentient.
sentient. Oh, mali yung
Sentient.
grammar ko.
Oh.
So, what if it gets so smart na iniisip niya na the greatest, like parang, the greatest piece is like yung parang, alam mo yung goal ni Madara sa Naruto.
Oh, you mean yung ano, yung peace in an illusion?
Oh, ay, alam mo yun. It's the ano, pre. Ay, wait lang.
Infinite.
Matrix, boy.
Oh, Matrix.
Do you know that?
Oh,
You
walang
know
pa
this
yun.
film? Bro, essentially, the AI put everyone to sleep because that's like yung sinabi nila na, you know, the peaceful mind, etc. The peaceful reality. What the hell, bro? Oh my god, this is so good. Oo nga,
Hindi ko
no?
pa siya napapanood eh, personally, pero alam ko lang.
Hindi mo pa napanood?
Tungkol saan ba yan?
Oh,
Alam ko
alam
about
mo,
sa
alam mo?
reality yan eh.
Okay, explain ko sa'yo.
Explain mo nga sa akin.
So basically, NPC to. So NPC sila lahat at the start. Basically, yung isa, may
Walang
leader
spoiler ah,
na,
walang spoiler, walang spoiler.
walang spoiler.
Walang spoiler, walang spoiler.
Oh, man, that's
Like
like,
may mamamatay ba ganun? Walang ganun ah.
hindi, walang ganun. So basically, like, lahat sila dito, like, parang NPC at some point. Pero may wake up sa kanila and gumawa sila ng group. Yung group na yun, is like yung parang awake sa realidad na it's just a virtual reality na parang stimulation lang. Kasi yung parang, are you familiar with the red pill or blue pill?
Oh, alam ko yun, alam ko yun.
So, the red pill is like yung parang realidad na you wake up knowing na what's the truth and what's behind ng mga everyday tasks. Samantala yung blue pill is go back to your reality na walang problema as a human being na kahit nalaman mo information na to, you'll ignore it. Parang ganun.
Oh, you choose
Just to sleep.
you will choose your own pleasure ganun.
Oo. And pinili nila Neo is red pill ata. Tapos yun nga, naging ano siya, agent. Parang ano pre, antivirus. Ganun.
Yung red pill yung ano, yung alam mo na yung reality ganun.
Oo. Tapos nakakontrol niya pre. Like, it's so, alam mo yung ano, parang Sword Art Online.
Oh.
Pre, Sword Art Online to pre. Every time na mag-dive in siya, papasok siya sa game. Tapos parang smurf na siya. Kasi he has unlimited training during this stimulation. Parang pwede niya gawin lahat sa stimulation training room, parang ganun, etc. Tapos doon, tinatalo niya yung parang gumawa ng, yung AI mismo. Which is yung idea na we should all go to sleep. Angas pre, like,
Meron
kaya
bang ano
pre,
yan? Meron bang progenitor yan?
no?
Progenitor, like parang meron
What's
bang
progenitor?
mastermind diyan sa likod ng ano ng visual simulation.
Yung AI mismo.
Ha?
Like, are you familiar with yung AI, like yung, parang ano, ito. They all look similar because they are the same thing, man. Ang ito yung AI, ito yung robot.
Panoorin ko
mismo,
nga yan, panoorin ko nga yan.
may panoorin mo boy. Like yung part 1 lang, wag na yung other 2.
Ilang ano ba yan? Ilang
2 hours, I think.
Hindi, I mean
I don't know, man.
anong year na yan nung nilabas yan?
Bro, wag ka ma-turn off It's like 1990s. But the story, man, and the ano, it's so good. It's so modern. Nung nagulat ako nung, oh nga, no, it's the Matrix. It's the Matrix.
Yeah, sure. Panoorin ko yan.
Mas pre, like, dito ako nahilig sa sci-fi pre, like, starting from watching this one. Mas nahilig ako sa sci-fi. And I understand kaya pala top 2 ng list sa lahat ng most redditors and other critics. Sobrang solid boy. Ano, Agent Smith. Ang daming ano niyan pre. Tapos ano, like, let's see. Woman on the red dress. Ito yung parang ano boy. Basically yung sinasabi dito is yung parang distraction ng virtual reality. Sobrang totoo na We get so distracted by the, like yung mga ganyan, yung mga, let's say, in our time, it's like the social media. It's all this noise.
Mm.
Na parang nakakalimutan na natin yung mission kasi nasa mission siya yan eh. Tapos biglang nakita ni Neon yan. Tapos yung nangyari, laban pala siya. Yung pala si Agent Smith. Nabaril siya. Parang ganun yung stimulation. So yung distraction literally kills you. Sobrang angas, boy. Kaya pala ano to, like, hindi lang siya meme. It like has a deeper message. Layo na nung, layo na tayo dyan, di ba? Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, mag-uwi tayo ng ano eh. Pupunta sa Matrix, pre. Sobrang angas, boy. I recommend this film, guys. Sobrang solid. Ay, alam ko na yung next podcast natin, pre.
Cut ko na to
嗯。
25 minutes lang tayo.